Welcome back to Tour Pack, your go-to channel for the best travel gear and smart travel tips. Today, we're exploring the top-rated travel luggage designed to keep your journey stress-free, stylish, and organized. Travel smart and stress-free with top-rated luggage built for every kind of journey. The best travel luggage combines durability, sleek design, and efficient organization, making it a must-have companion whether you're flying overseas or hitting the road. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Swiss Gear Travel Luggage. Swiss Gear Travel Luggage is a top pick for travelers seeking a dependable, soft-sided suitcase that balances durability with smooth performance. Ideal as a check bag for extended trips, it features a spacious interior with expandable capacity to accommodate extra packing needs. The bag is crafted from tough, scuff-resistant polyester fabric that stands up well to wear and tear. Inside, it's fully lined and includes adjustable tie-down straps that keep garments in place and wrinkle-free. The smart internal layout ensures items stay organized during transit, even when the suitcase is fully packed. One of the standout features is its set of 4 360-degree multi-directional spinner wheels, which provide exceptional maneuverability. Whether you're rolling through a busy airport or navigating tight hotel hallways, the suitcase glides smoothly in any direction. For lifting and loading, the bag includes reinforced top, side, and bottom handles, making it easier to carry no matter the angle. Swiss Gear also offers a 10-year warranty against defects in materials and workmanship, providing peace of mind for frequent travelers. While the luggage doesn't include modern features like built-in charging ports, it focuses on essentials that matter most: storage, stability, and durability. The exterior design is classic and professional, making it a great option for both business and leisure trips. Overall, Swiss Gear Travel Luggage is a reliable and thoughtfully designed suitcase that emphasizes practical use without sacrificing style. Its lightweight design, smooth handling, and ample space make it a go-to choice for travelers who want an efficient and long-lasting travel companion. Number 2. Wire Hot Travel Luggage Set. The Wire Hot Travel Luggage Set is a smart and comprehensive solution for travelers who want style, strength, and versatility in one affordable package. This 3-piece set includes 20, 24, and 28-inch sizes, covering everything from weekend getaways to extended vacations. The standout feature is the expandable capacity in the larger sizes, which gives you extra packing room without compromising structure. Each piece is built using a durable ABS plus PC shell that resists scratches and handles impacts well, helping your luggage look new after every trip. The smooth finish and modern design make this set visually appealing and practical. Inside, the suitcases offer ample space with divider panels and compression straps to keep contents secure. The TSA-approved combination locks enhance safety by protecting your belongings while complying with airport security standards. You'll also find high-quality YKK zippers that are known for longevity and consistent performance. One of the highlights of this set is the 360-degree spinner wheels made of dual-layer materials, hard plastic on the inside and soft rubber outside for a quiet, smooth ride across a range of surfaces. The aluminum telescopic handle is strong, rust-resistant, and ergonomically designed for comfort during longer walks. This luggage performs impressively in both durability and maneuverability. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, the Wire Hot set delivers the flexibility and rugged build quality you need. It's well-suited for families, couples, or solo travelers who want a sleek, organized, and travel-ready solution that doesn't break the bank. Number 3. Travel Pro Travel Luggage. Travel Pro Travel Luggage is purpose-built for serious travelers who demand premium features, reliability, and top-tier mobility. This carry-on size suitcase is loaded with thoughtful design elements that elevate every part of the travel experience. The patented Precision Glide system ensures buttery smooth maneuverability with magnetic self-aligning dual spinner wheels and a 4-stop power scope handle that adjusts to different heights. The contour grip is ergonomic and non-slip, helping reduce hand fatigue during long airport walks. Built from high-density nylon and coated with DuraGuard, this luggage is stain and abrasion resistant. Built to withstand harsh travel conditions, the tapered expansion provides up to 2 inches of packing space while maintaining stability. Inside, it's optimized for efficiency with a drop-in suitor for wrinkle-free garments, tie-down straps, accessory pockets, and a removable wet pouch for toiletries or damp clothes. One of the most innovative additions is the external USB-A and USB-C charging ports with a dedicated power bank pocket, ideal for staying powered up during long layovers or delays. The Suitcase meets size restrictions for most major U.S. airlines when not expanded, making it a reliable choice for overhead storage. Travel Pro backs the bag with a limited lifetime warranty and a trusted companion promise that even covers airline damage when registered, an exceptional level of coverage. Stylish yet understated, the exterior is sleek and professional, fitting in for both corporate trips and leisure getaways. Number 4. Shoku Travel Luggage. Shoku Travel Luggage is an ideal pick for travelers seeking robust, long-lasting luggage that doesn't compromise on features or value. This 3-piece hardshell set includes 20-inch, 24-inch, and 28-inch cases, giving you flexibility for short trips, vacations, and even long-term travel. The outer shell is crafted from extra-thick ABS plus PC material, making the cases both lightweight and highly impact-resistant. The textured finish adds extra protection against scratches and maintains a polished look after frequent use. The 2 larger suitcases expand by up to 20%, allowing extra room when needed. Internally, you'll find a full zip divider and cross straps to keep belongings neat and secure. The wheels are a standout with 360 silent spinner design incorporating soft TPU and lubricating ball bearings for an ultra-quiet, smooth ride. Shoku's luggage passed rigorous durability tests, including drop testing and a 40-kilometer walking simulation carrying 15 kilograms, testament to its strong construction. The 3-step telescopic aluminum handle glides up and down smoothly, while reinforced brackets prevent damage from frequent lifting. TSA-approved locks provide secure travel without compromising accessibility for inspections. Zippers are puncture-resistant for added security. Number 5. Kenneth Cole Travel Luggage. Kenneth Cole Travel Luggage is a sleek, lightweight, and functional option for travelers looking for durability with a touch of elegance. Built from a combination of ABS and polycarbonate, the hard shell provides solid impact resistance and is reinforced with molded corner guards for extra durability during rough handling. The suitcase remains ultra-light, making it easier to maneuver and ideal for avoiding airline weight limits. The 360-degree spinner wheels glide smoothly and quietly, ensuring hassle-free movement in all directions. A telescopic trolley handle with push-button release allows for comfortable one-handed operation, which is great for navigating crowded spaces. Inside, the suitcase offers a spacious dual-sided layout with compression straps and a hanging zipper pocket to keep contents organized and in place. The tear-resistant polyester lining adds to its durability and ease of cleaning. While it doesn't include advanced tech like USB ports, the essentials are executed extremely well, offering a strong value for those who prioritize simplicity and reliability. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this Kenneth Cole suitcase gives peace of mind with every trip. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this roundup of the top travel luggage picks, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TourPack, and hit the bell icon for more travel gear reviews and smart travel tips. All the product links are available in the description below, so be sure to check them out. Until next time, travel smart, travel safe, and keep exploring with TourPack.